It's funny how a city always keeps moving. It just keeps buzzing like it's had too many espressos. It shouts for us to hear it and pay attention to the constantly changing appearances, showing off a new side every time we take a look. Today, I'm headed to Baner Annex's finest neighborhood that best encapsulates the spirit of Pune. A city that makes you feel your heart is pumping blood for the very first time. So, let's hit the road. We rolled in via the iconic Mumbai-Pune highway. Guys, our location allows effortless travel to Mumbai, Goa and Bangalore, which is nothing short of spectacular. Oh look, we just passed Balewadi High Street. I can already picture myself making impulsive, slightly questionable, but worth it decisions here. This is the ultimate hub for all things indulgence. I can't wait to see what's next. We're closer than you think. These roads are leading us straight to Unique Properties Skylinks, my home for next 24 hours. And let me tell you, I live for a first impression. Will this place sweep me off my feet? Let's find out. We've arrived at the sales lounge where we're about to experience their 3 BHK sample flat and get a glimpse of what Unique Properties, the parent brand, stands for: transparency, quality and trust. And honestly, that's what we all are chasing, right? For over 17 years, Unique Properties has won the trust and admiration of home buyers through consistent delivery, thoughtful design and a genuine commitment to doing things right. With a solid foundation built on engineering brilliance, ethics, and a customer-first approach, they have firmly rooted themselves in Pune's real estate market. Now let's get to the part that really seals the deal: the amenities. At Unique Property Skylinks, you hit the lifestyle jackpot. Think panoramic infinity pool for those golden hour dips, and a private party zone for when you're feeling fabulously indulgent. When it's time to wind down, the yoga and meditation area and a serene reflexology path offer the perfect escape. They've also got your fitness goal covered with a fully equipped gym and an expansive badminton court. With 20 plus thoughtfully curated amenities, there's something here for every mood, every moment, and every member of the family. Alright folks, we're about to step into a space that feels tailor-made for you. Unique Properties has crafted 3 and 4 BHKs spread across a meticulously designed 2.5-acre land parcel. Homes that reflect your quirks, comfort your soul, and reassure that yes, you're exactly where you're meant to be. Unique Properties Skylinks is shaping up to be the kind of address that makes you rethink what comfort means. So let's step inside, shall we? Zoom in on this Yale Smart Digilock. A sleek, modern promise of security. Oh wait, there's another security feature, a video door phone. And that's not all. A genset backup because power cuts are so last century. Hey crew, pull out your best camera angles because I want them to see exactly what I'm seeing. I've been told that this carpet area is whooping 1085 square feet. Now that's generous, am I right? First impressions, immaculate. The lobby oozes sophistication. Just look at these premium glazed vitrified tiles. Very few developers offer the impressive 800mm into 1600mm size. Now that screams premium. Now let's talk about the living space. Wide, airy and full of natural light. Featuring these aluminium sliding doors that add a sense of purposeful grandeur. This kind of space makes me want to throw an impromptu dinner party just to show it off. Heading into the kitchen, I see everything has been thoughtfully designed. Quad sink? Check. Water purified provision? Of course. Full body vitrified finished parallel platforms? Yes please. And look at those designer wall tiles. Consider me impressed. If you don't enjoy cooking, this kitchen will convince you otherwise. Also, no more juggling gas cylinders because they have a perfect pipe gas system in place. I think I need a coffee fix. As if the interiors of the unique property Skylings weren't enough to uplift my mood. But hey, there's nothing wrong in wanting more. My balcony is calling out my name. Maybe I'll hang out there for a minute, or maybe an hour. Experiencing various epiphanies as I stand on this extra spacious balcony, maybe I should start journaling. Oh, let's not forget the aluminium sliding window with mosquito mesh, keeping the view crisp and mosquitoes far, far away. Now let's explore the bedrooms. 3 of them. One for you, one for the kids, and one for whatever your heart desires. A home office or yoga studio. I'm personally leaning towards a cozy reading nook, where all my books finally get the spotlight they deserve. And these laminated flush doors, so premium and sleek. It's like the architecture is winking at me and whispering, yes, we took care of everything. Time to test out the bath. Sanitary ware is courtesy of Jacques Laguna itself, a truly iconic series that is effortlessly timeless and undeniably classy. Every element is a masterclass in elegance, right down to the smallest fixtures. And those designer wall tiles laid up to the ceiling height. Absolute perfection. That was refreshing, like bathing in pure luxury. It sounds dramatic, but trust me, you need to experience it to believe it. I've been told the water is solar heated. A home that incorporates sustainable practices into its design is always a plus. Good for the planet, great for me. Actually, I'm drafting my resignation letter because if a home can be this inviting, who would ever want to leave it and face the daily commute? I'm kidding, guys. As I wrap up this tour, I'd like to point out that words only go so far. Come by, walk around, and feel how the space intuitively adapts to you. Encourage you to experience it for yourself and let Unique Skylings do what it does best, win you over effortlessly. Visit us today.